I'm Lugean Hogan, and today I want to discuss how buyers should handle repairs when purchasing property. Stick around for these tips. With the recent hurricane damages to many properties here in eastern North Carolina, it's important to have a plan to deal with inspection reports and repairs. Picky inspectors are a fact of life and can be a buyer's best friend. However, there are some buyers who ask the sellers to take care of all repairs on the report, no matter how unreasonable they are. This typically results in a great deal of additional negotiation as everyone works through the list point by point. Once a decision's been made by the buyer about the repairs they plan to ask the seller to consider, then the buyer needs to decide how they choose to address these items. Complicated, huh? The very best scenario is to ask for seller credit at closing and the buyer contract the work to be done by his own choice of contractors. This is the easiest route for both seller and buyer, with the buyer being responsible for the contractors and the work details. When a lender requires major repairs be completed before closing, usually the seller needs to be responsible for these repairs as they're still the owners of the property. They need to search for competent professionals to handle the work, make sure receipts are saved, and that there are warranties that will transfer to the buyers when the transaction closes. As always, there must be clear communication between agents and clients throughout the process, with signed agreements provided to all parties. This is a process your agent can help you navigate to successfully reach closing. If you don't want to worry about those types of things, you can call me, Lugean Hogan, at 252-723-1628 for a brand new condo like you see here at Seaside Villas. Thank you.